everyone, welcome back. Got a Lyft promo code that's showing as invalid or not taking any money off your ride. Here's the most common reasons it's not working and exactly how to fix it. First, the most important thing to know is that you must apply the promo code before you request the ride. You cannot add it after the booking is already made. Now, open the Lyft app, tap on the menu icon at the top left and tap Promos or Payment. Then tap Add Lyft Pass or tap Add Promo Code and type your code exactly as given. Promo codes are case sensitive, so capital letters matters. Tap Add if it says invalid, the code may have expired, already been used, or works only for the first time users if you are an existing Lyft rider. Read the code's terms carefully. If the code is valid but no discount is showing, make sure you selected the correct ride type. Some promo codes only apply to Lyft Sanders and not to Lyft XL or Lyft Lux. Also confirm the code is for your city. Many Lyft promos are specific. So, all you gotta do is add promo code before booking in the promo section, check if it's typed exactly right, and confirm you meet the terms. Discounts will apply.